How are we doing today? I'm gonna do a fun summer themed eyeshadow tutorial for you today using the Give Me Glow Cosmetics Summer Vibes palette. Look at this palette. Wow, so bright and fun and summery. This palette screams summer and it is the perfect palette for you this coming summer. We have this metallic shade called Coconut Slushy, and it's just a really very pretty bronzy metallic shade. The next one is called Peach Snow Cone, and it is a very pretty light pink. It could also be used as a blush, and I wish I had used it as a blush had I thought of that earlier. This next shade is not picking up very well on the monitor because it is so bright and highlighting. It's called Summer Fling. It is a blue shade with a gold shift to it, and it will shift its way. No. It is one of the best colors in the palette, not only because it's one of my favorite colors, which I've said 1,000 times, but it is so pigmented that it'll literally blow your mind. Blew my mind. The next shade is a matte shade called Brazilian Bikini. It is a matte teal shade, and ooh, it is just as pigmented as it looks in the pan. The second row starts with Orange Soda Pop. Orange Soda Pop is just a basic orange color, but it is super pigmented, super bright. All of the mattes seem to have a light shimmer all over them, but they don't actually appear to be very shimmery when they're finally on the lid. Fireworks is the next shade. It is a rose gold kind of highlighting color, and it is so pretty, so pigmented. I'm obsessed. Watermelon is this bright pink neon kind of shade. Super cute. Love it, love it. This neon queen right here is called Mango Margarita. Makes me want a margarita right now. Oh my gosh. Then on our bottom row, we have this yellow shade called Sunny. Just a very pretty yellow shade. Then we have a shade called Bronze Bombshell, which is a really deep chocolatey brown with a gold shift highlighting kind of shade. Couldn't think of the word. Next we have Skinny Dip, which is like a Wendy's Frosty kind of color. Super pretty, would be really pretty as bronzer. I should have done that. And then we have this darker brown shade called Tan Lines. Super pretty and I love it so much. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, but stay tuned to find out how I do this beautiful summer inspired look. I'm going to start by going into this shade called Peach Snow Cone using this Morphe M433. I really do not need to tap into it hard at all. There's a lot of pigment comes up on the brush. Next I'm going into this shade called Watermelon using a Morphe brush. This is the Morphe E36. Just gonna lightly press the pigment all around the inside border of Peach Snow Cone. Now I'm going to be using this Morphe M506, and I'm going back in with Peach Snow Cone and try to just like blend that harsh line between Watermelon and Peach Snow Cone out. Going back in with Watermelon just a little bit to deepen the pink. Now I'm going in with this shade. It's a very pretty teal shade. It's actually probably my favorite color. I know I've said that before. It's called Brazilian Bikini, and I'm going to put it right here on the inner third right next to Watermelon and Peach Snow Cone. Well, that sure showed up. Now I'm going in with this orange shade. It's called Orange Soda Pop, and I'm going to be putting it right here next to Watermelon using this Morphe M508 brush. Going back in with Watermelon to like blend the two together a little bit more. Now I'm going to cut the crease a little bit. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, and it's my favorite primer. It doesn't dry out your eyelid, and it stays tacky, and it's just overall a really great primer. Using this Morphe M421. Alright, the crease is cut. Need to let it dry. Now going in with this bright orange shade called Mango Margarita, and it's a super fun neon orange yellow mix. Going in with this Morphe M124. Just pressing the pigment all over the cut part of my crease. Going back in with Orange Soda Pop to kind of blend those two orange shades together. So far, Orange Soda Pop is not the most consistent shade. It's a little dry feeling in the pan, and it doesn't stick very well to this outer part. So I'm gonna go back in with Watermelon instead and try and like blend that all together. Okay, so I think I fixed it. I sprayed some setting spray over my eye really quickly and then went back in with Watermelon and Orange Soda Pop, and that seemed to fix the patchiness I was seeing. It looks really not blended in the monitor, but it is really blended in person. So I'm gonna try and blend that out a little bit more, even more than it already is, just to make it look so in the monitor. Blending Brazilian Bikini and Watermelon like right here created a really pretty purpley shade. So now I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face as well as the other eye. To finish off the under eye, I'm gonna go back here with Brazilian Bikini. Not all the way over, because I want the pink to blend in under most of my eye. Now I'm going to take this Morphe M433 brush and go back in with Peach Snow Cone to blend this all together. I'm going to use just a touch of Watermelon. We're all blended. Using this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Swerve, I'm going to line my under eye. Using my favorite eyeliner, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Liner, put on a wing. Eyeliner's applied. Now I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Now time for the best part, which is highlighter. Yee! For the inner corner, I'm going into this metallic shade. It's called Summer Fling. It has a little bit of a gold shift to it, but it'll look really It'll look really pretty with Brazilian bikini. Gosh. Oh Lord, she's there. Holy sh. Okay, I'm in love. Wow. Wow. Now I'm gonna get right under the eyebrow and I'm going to use this shade Fireworks. It's a metallic rose gold kind of shade. Gold reflex with like a pink base. That'll look really pretty right next to Peach Snow Cone and Watermelon. These metallic shades are pigmented. I'm barely touching into the pan and so much happens on the lid. I just can't stop. It's hard to see the shift, but holy shit, that is so bright. A little too dark for highlighter on the cheeks, so I'm gonna have to use something else. I'm going to be using Fenty Diamond Bomb No. 2. I'm going to be applying it with this Morphe 330. Look is almost done. Going into my Celeste Los Angeles lash book, I'm going to be using these lashes down here, and they're called Smoky. Oh God, I've got a lot of powder on my shirt. And to finish off now for lips, I'm using this Sugar Pill liquid lip in the shade Keepsake. And I really like these shades because after they dry on the lips and you press your lips together, a bunch of gold glitter shows up, and that's really pretty. And it'll look really good with this look. And we're done. Here we are with the finished look. I've been so excited to use this palette ever since I saw it at Give Me Glow Cosmetics on their Instagram page. I had to have it. It is such a pretty color story, and I'm so glad that I bought it. It is one of my favorite palettes right now. The pigments are so vibrant, they glide on so smooth, and they're so blendable, and it is just a really good palette. And I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you want to see next. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe and share this video with your friends. To see more looks I've done, my Instagram page is called @JennBlaze. That's JENNBLAISE. I'll see you all later and stay blazed.